A lot of people ask what to do on a rainy day in Pigeon Forge, and we gotta say, Downtown Flavortown, it is definitely a place you and your family should come check out.
I feel like a big kid in a candy store.
Downtown Flavortown.
Are you hungry?
I am very hungry.
This video is gonna be possibly a little different because we're gonna meet up with a whole bunch of content creators and try all kinds of different food off the Downtown Flavortown menu. Are you ready?
I'm so ready.
So let's do this and go on this food adventure that rocks. All right, let's do this. Let's go inside Downtown Flavortown. The trash can nachos at Downtown Flavortown.
Everybody go, ooh.
Yes. You can see it slowly falling apart and imploding on its own.
Oh, it is. It's starting to be angry.
Yes, you may not see it on the menu, but they do have shrimp.
Ask for the tiki bar menu.
There you go. There's your tip right there from Just Out and About. Ask for the tiki bar menu. All right, what do we got here? This is
queso and corn dip.
Yeah, queso and corn dip. Yeah.
all right. Another appetizer from Just Out and About. Over here, what do we got here?
Dragon's breath, chili cheese.
Dragon's Breath Chili Cheese.
Okay, I got it. I'm like, another stick.
Here with Theme Park Vision, Nerds on the Go. And what do we have here?
We have the Vegas fries, which is waffle fries, blue cheese crumbles, shaved carrots, buffalo sauce, and a house-made blue sabi dipping sauce. And it is hot.
So if you want heat, go for the Vegas fries. Sandy has just tried the Vegas fries. I heard they're hot. What do you
There
say?
is a huge, tremendous kick.
Thank you so much.
And Brussels sprouts, which Sandy's getting ready to try. If you want to order it on the menu, it's Brussels and bacon. Just wanted to give you a shot of what it looks like. And with a recipe by Sammy Hagar, Sandy orders the wonton tacos.
Is that true?
What? Yeah, it says it on the menu.
What? What does it say? I can't read
made
them.
with Sammy Hagar.
No.
Sammy Hagar is in the back making these tonight.
I'm excited.
And from our show, our story, what burger is this?
This is not a burger. This is pulled pork. This is the Motley Crew pulled pork.
So there you go. My mistake. Not a burger, but the Motley Q pulled pork.
It's hard to be serious with this pork.
They call this old school steak. Look at this sandwich. And this Passionate Patents ordered it. And like I said, all these channels that we're mentioning tonight, we're gonna put their descriptions and their links in the description down below. But old school steak, that's a lot of yum right there. They call this the OG ringer, and look at the size of that onion ring. That onion ring is huge. Wow. The Kobe burger has arrived. This is high quality burger meat right here. So if you're looking for a burger, this is the one to go to. Look at this tower of food. This is the Nashville hot chicken waffle that Nerds on the Go ordered. Just look at the size of this, and you can smell the heat coming off of it. This is the real cheesy burger from Nerds on the Go. And look at the size of that thing. You want some cheese on a burger? This is running over with cheese. Look at that. The Cajun chicken pasta, which Theme Park Vision is already saying that's good. They say the secret to this is the Cajun. And just take a look. Ew, and it comes with garlic bread.
More food from Just Out and About.
I love that it has the hand
Ribs.
Ribs here at Downtown Flavortown. And what is this? A mac and cheese half open sandwich?
I have no idea. I thought it was just supposed to be mac and cheese, but I guess it's Texas toast too.
But yeah, ribs here at Downtown Flavortown.
That's a half a rack.
And
Tiki and that crazy pop. That
all
is
these options, but they do have healthy options. This is a chopped barbecue salad, and as you can see, it is a good portion for a salad that you're gonna get here. And people are already digging into the chicken flatbread coming from Our Show, Our Story. Ordered it. Look at them go. Is it good? They give a thumbs up. Chicken flatbread. The Crazy Pop hanging with the Crazy Crew got the chili cheese fries on a waffle. Look at how many you get.
baby goldfish.
Oh, baby goldfish are on there. I've never heard of baby goldfish in a waffle combination. So let's hope I'm sure it works. If Guy has put this on the menu, I'm sure it is full of flavor. Theme Park Vision, look at this mac and cheese on a burger with bacon. And look at the size of these burgers here at Downtown Flavortown. Size of the prime time American Kobe burger. Look at that.
Look at that.
The spaghetti and meatballs waffle. You don't see the spaghetti yet because it's baked into the waffle, but just look at the size of the meatballs that they put on this, the tomato sauce, the cheese. Can't wait to dive in here. Let's check out the duck pin bowling. And as you can see, are these little balls that you throw at pins on strings. And yes, they have a bunch of lanes out here at Downtown Flavortown. Who's next? What I know about duck pin bowling is that you get 3 tries instead of 2. Makes it a great fun difference, especially for kids or someone like me who is really a bowling novice. And look what the Crazy Prop has brought us. The desserts of Downtown Flavortown. So we know we got cheesecake here. I forget what this is called.
That is the salted caramel bread pudding.
There you go, salted caramel bread pudding. And this looks like, is this ice cream?
That is mint chocolate mint ice cream.
Mint chocolate mint ice cream.
Chocolate.
Triple chocolate, they're telling me. The desserts of Flavortown. They even have the Camaro from his show here in Downtown Flavortown. Look at this beauty. Can you imagine being in the backseat, Guy driving, the wind on your next diner or dive? That'd be pretty awesome. Take me with you, Guy. And did we mention games here at Downtown Flavortown? Sandy loves this Avengers game. And I'll turn the camera on in a minute, but just look at how many games Downtown Flavortown has in Pigeon Forge. They're all over the place in here.
It's so much fun. I don't even know how many I get. Oh, yeah, 8. You gotta time it. It's all about timing.
More games from Nerf, Space Invaders, just all kinds of games. Even shooting dinosaurs in Jurassic Park. Yeah, so much food, I'm stuffed.
Yeah, and so many good friends and new ones we've met, and can't thank Flavortown, Downtown Flavortown enough.
Right, yeah.
For having
Huge
us out.
thank you to Downtown Flavortown.
And Mike, gotta call out
Oh
Mike.
yeah, great service
awesome.
from Mike. So if you ever come, ask for Mike. He'll definitely bring the party to your table.
Oh yeah.
And we also want to give a huge shout out to Butch, Cooking with the Crazy Pop, you know, for setting this all up for us, and all our great content creators so many names. We're gonna put all those links in the description down below. But I mean, when you have Just Out and About, Theme Park Vision, Nerds on the Go,
Oh yeah.
just so many. It was definitely a fun time out here at Downtown Flavortown.
Yeah, and then duck bowling. That was fun.
Yeah, I learned you don't throw balls at ducks, or you don't throw ducks down the aisle.
And you don't need to quack and waddle.
No.
So quack and waddle.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're gonna end up next. But you know, every now and then we're definitely all around the Smokies, Pigeon Forge, and the Gatlinburg area.
One of our favorite places.
Be sure to make each and every day, including those with a lot of flavor, an adventure that rocks. Looking for more fun photos and maybe little mini videos that we didn't include in this video you're watching now?
Be sure to check out our TikTok, our Instagram, and our Facebook pages.
And we're gonna put those links also in the description down below. No Valentine's, but no mail either. We don't have a post office or mailbox hit up to accept mail, but you can always email us at adventuresatrock@gmail.com. Or when you're watching this video, put it in the comments down below if you want to ask us questions or send us on a favorite adventure you would like to see us go to soon.